We are asked to graph the circle and find its domain and range. I wanted to show you this also because I wanted to show you how to graph this in my math lab. Obviously, if you're doing it pen and paper, it's almost easier. But you'll find it's not too bad in Math My Lab as well. Now to find the center, to graph a circle, you start with the center. And the center is always, you look at what is with the x and the y. And if it wasn't in this form, x squared plus y squared equals a constant, you would have to rearrange it to that form. So this means that our x, or the center, our center of the circle, is the opposite of this. So our x coordinate is -4. Since there's nothing with 0, with y, that means it's 0. So our center is -4, 0. So the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to graph this, and you can see here I have the choice of a circle. And the first thing you do is you find your circle. So I'm going to plot -4. And you can see in the bottom, you'll see down here, it's, giving me the coordinates. So that's helpful. Then, what is my radius? Well, it's the square root of the constants. The square root of 16 is 4. So that means from this, I want to go out 4. So that means this point here has to be 0, 0, because then that's 4 from my original point. So there's my graph, and then I hit check answer. So you can see you just have your radius and your circle, your center written out, and then once you've done that, it's just a matter of using this to help you find it. 'Cause sometimes it's real hard if you just click what you think it is. Double check here before you click because sometimes it'll be slightly off. Now what's the domain? Well, the domain here, you can see we start out here at -8. So I'm going to do bracket -8 to 0. And I'm going to check this. And this goes from bracket 4 to -4. Check answer. What did I put down here? I know I'm right, but what did I? Oh, I put it in backwards. I was talking. I'm like, what did I put in backwards? And you'll find that Math My Lab obviously can be pretty picky at times. Okay. So that's all there is to this. I'm going to go back. Okay, there we go. It can be pretty picky about how you enter things, but as long as you're careful, the graphing tool isn't that bad for these circles. It's just a matter of getting it used to. And obviously practicing doing it now is going to help you when it comes to test time, not waste time with the setup.